OmniRoute is a free open source gateway that connects you to over 200 AIs providers, being 50 of them free, completely free, with zero costs. As I said in the last video, I was going to do a full tutorial how to install it and how you can use it. Since this is not just a normal setup that you usually go on the website to make an account, get your API key and find the models. This runs locally on your machine and connects with the API address. You will have a full UI for you to browse around, but before you get there, you have to use a few commands, install a few things to make sure it can always run. I just want to say one thing. When you finish launching, make sure you keep the server on so you can navigate inside your local server. Again, the reason why people trip on these steps is because it's not an easy, simple install. You have to do a few things simply because it doesn't live in someone else's server, it lives on yours. I will show you the trick of the passwords that it asks you, so make sure you stay to the end and watch carefully. But following what I say, you will get there no matter what. So the first thing you want to do is to come to this website, and all links mentioned in this video will be in the description. Come to Node.js.org, and simply this is the initial page, and all you want to do is to come down here and select the model you're using. Mine is window, and simply download it and install it. Don't worry, this is a free open source tool and it's not going to cause you any harm. So this is the first step that we need to start installing and configuring everything correctly. So the first step is to go to CMD. On CMD, make sure you run it as an administrator. And the first thing we want to do is to select the file location where you want to install. This is really important. So for you to get there on CMD, all you have to do is to guide over here to the path to the file location where you want to install it. So in my case, it will be this. Okay, make sure for you to select the right file path, you have to put a CD right in front, and then you can go on Explorer on the URL and simply copy and paste the path and paste it here, right? Once that's done, press enter. Okay, so as you can see, it changed and now we are on the right path location. So now what you want to do is to install the OmniRouter, and what you want to do is simply copy and paste this command right here, press enter. And this will be installing, right? Once that's done, what you want to do, you can open another tab. Now that you opened another tab, all you want to do is to type OmniRoute and press enter. So as you can see, it's starting the server, and that's what we want. It will automatically open a tab. However, if it does not open, all you want to do is to simply copy this and go to your web browser and paste it in the URL. This is what we wanted, guys. As you can see, I just have to zoom in and out here, but just for you to see. So basically right here, it will ask you for the password, but we never said anything. That's because the default password is called change me. Simply copy this, paste it here, and press continue, right? You don't have to worry about anything else. Now we are finally here. We finally are getting to the end of this tutorial, and what you want to do, you can just go through all of this here, the side menu, and see for yourself. But we want the two things here, which are the most important one for us, which are the API keys right here inside menu on the top, and you simply come here and you create your API key. Now this is the default that you do on the other websites as well. So you come to API keys, create your API key, give a name. So this is a test API key, create it, you copy it, and then you export this to whatever you want. And the second step is to come to providers. So in providers, here it's the most amazing thing, guys. This is the amount of resources that we have for you to choose from. And what we want here is the free tier, right? You can connect to your paid APIs. You can connect everything through here. You can also check other features that they have here, CLI agents and everything. But coming down here to the free tier providers where it shows a green dot, we have all of those, guys. We have all of those. So you can just pick and choose. You can just come here and test it and see for yourself. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you can access OmniRouter. And you know, I actually use this with Kilo extension on anti-gravity, and basically I have unlimited agents in anti-gravity just because you know, I messed it, I searched, and I found this API key. It works for me, and it works like a charm. So I recommend you to get your API keys, get your providers, check it out, this kilo hack that I said. If you want, if you comment down below, I can make the video for you and explain, do a full tutorial, not a quick one. There is a lot of things that goes in there, but then some of the things that we did here today, which is installing the OmniRoute, will be in that tutorial too. Just depends on you. And basically, you will have the API key from OmniRoute in your anti-gravity, running your agents completely for free, which is really cool, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching.